What up? Welcome back to the channel. Today marks the first day of being back from Beast Northeast. So we did wind up winning the Masters division and the 220 class, pulling only 485. I wanted to pull 500, but the thing was, I wasn't sure about the pec. And if you guys haven't been following along, I'll let you in on something. When I was warming up, I pulled something in my pec, so we're not training full force just yet. So we're 90 days out from Summer Beast, June 27th. So this is week 1. We're gonna move into all the weeks accordingly. This week is only 50%. So we're gonna train squats today, deadlifts tomorrow. Now this rehab that I've built for myself is derived on 50% for like 3 weeks or something like that, and we're doing triceps and biceps with every other day. So first day is squats, second day is deadlifts, third day is bench and repeat. So squats are getting tricep because with the split you got squats and tries, deads and bis, bench and tries, and we have deads and bis, and then we'll have on the last day of training it'll be squats and tries again. So we're doing that. Arms have to get bigger. The muscle fiber that's on my arms is too small. They're strong, it's just too small, so we have to start hitting the fucking arms heavy because I need the weight to rest more on my arms than versus my pec, in a sense. When I come down and press, I need bigger and stronger arms. So we're gonna do that. Today's box squats. It's I believe I have it marked down for 225. Yeah, 225 for 5 sets of 5. Simple enough. Lying leg curls, leg extensions, standing leg curls. The standing leg curls today is going to be done with a monkey foot. If you don't know what a monkey foot is, it's an apparatus you put on your foot, and it kind of grabs the dumbbell, and then I can do single leg. Leg curls. Then we have hack squats. I have 90 pounds on there now. We'll probably be doing. We'll go up from the 90. We'll just see how fatigued my legs are. This is more about getting back into the swing of things. We didn't lose a lot, but I took 2 weeks off from the Summer Beast, or from Beast Northeast. Now we're starting training for the Summer Beast. So also we're going to be doing leg press and the triceps. So if you guys want to see how I repair myself, getting my I believe it's called the sternal head rehab fixed and getting ready for the Summer Beast, man, make sure you drop a sub, follow the channel, like the videos, comment if you want to know some things. We got a lot of work ahead of us, and we only have a short time to do it. We legitimately only have 90 days. This is day 1. Let's go. Alright, so we got a new lens now. This lens is a little bit zoomed in. It's a prime lens. It's built for pictures and videos. It's not a zoom lens, so it is what it is. It's pre-zoomed in, so I gotta watch where I'm at and on the screen. So right now, this is just warm-ups. We're gonna warm up box squats with the bar. There's a 55-pound bar. Box squats. I'm gonna try to really get into the hamstrings. My hamstrings are weak. I need to strengthen my hamstrings and strengthen my quads, obviously, to promote a bigger deadlift. Yeah. All right, add weight. We're going to warm up with the bar. Warm up 135. This is 135. The key, what's really a big factor in your squats, whether you're box squatting or standard squatting, really get your glutes activated and push your knees out a little bit. So when you're coming up, you're just going to kind of like concentrate on flexing your quads and your glutes. If you flex your quads and your glutes, your knees kind of just go out anyway. Don't push your knees out. flex your quads, really get your quads activated in your glutes, and it'll help your squat come up. So warm-ups, let's go.
Perfect.
All right, 185, so warming up. The working set today is 225. Next. All right, 205. 205.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Have this first working set, 225. Next. All right, here we go. First working set, 225, 55-pound bar. Five sets of 5. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna wave it, increase it every week by, I guess, 20 pounds. So next week it'll be 245, and then it'll be 255, 265. We'll start there and then change it as needed, moving up to Summer Beast.
Cody.
Ooh. Set one, hopefully everything that I do is gonna help my legs get stronger. Eat accordingly, train accordingly, sleep accordingly. I have to get my legs stronger so I can get the deadlift up. All right, here we go. Set 2, working set. I'm a weak bitch. All right, set 3. Set 3. We got a lot to do. You guys ever get stuck in like a Twitter scroll? Get fucking stuck scrolling on Twitter? These fucking people are insane. I gotta get stronger, man. I gotta get stronger faster. set 4. I think what I'm going to do too is based off of day to day, week by week, whatever. So today I have like leg presses and hack squat. Other days I'm going to incorporate belt squat and leg presses, or belt squat and hack squat, or hack squat, belt squat. I'm flipping up the order because sometimes you get over fatigued from something. So say like today I was to do belt squat, then hack squat. I'm going to be super fatigued for hack squat at that point. You see what I'm saying? So it's all about grinding out the overall workload in strength training. Hypertrophy training is a little bit different. You just like choose the one exercise or two exercises and do, 2 or 3 sets to absolute fucking failure. Or not absolute failure, but like leave 2 or 3 in the tank. A failed 1 rep. When you lose your overall like form, that's when you drop it. That's when you put it down for hypertrophy, I guess. I don't train hypertrophy, man. I train strength, and I'm not on steroids, dude. A lot of these motherfuckers, almost all motherfuckers you see, are on fucking steroids. Ooh. Fuck. Stupid ass. That kind of makes him mad. Let's go. Alright, last set. Every time I go down, I just squeak this thing. Last set, and this time I'm going to try not to die. Get the J-hook accordingly. Gotta get my squats up, man. I brace so hard. I'm working my core as I do this. Here's what it is. Accessory movement time. Alright. Is it recording? All I saw zeros. Alright, here we go. Leg curls. 50 pounds. Having knee sleeves on for this sucks, but I want to keep them on for when I do the hack squat. It tears up the fronts of my knees, but we'll see. Oh, I got spiders in here. Got spiders. Got the bomb. Got the bomb. Yeah. Alright. Last time I did 75 pounds. We're gonna go right up to 85 because the last time I got easy 20 on the 75, so I wanna start building this up. After all, it's the quads that help me in my deadlift. I fucking hate this thing. It's built wrong. God, I fucking hate this thing. The pad should be up here, even with this pad. These pads should be up here. This should be just barely below it. These holes need to be swapped. Fucking people. Alright. Got a good 20. My hamstrings have so much blood in them. This little gap right here, I want a new one, man. I want a new fucking machine. Maybe I'll get the sit down, the seated leg curl and leg raise machine this year. That's the goal. I'm gonna try and get one this year. Cause this thing's gotta go. This thing fucking sucks. It's a good starter piece, don't get me wrong. But had I known what I really wanted, and the footprint is too big. If I got the seated one, I could bring this back and keep the seated one back here, bring that back, have a little more space right there. That's just shit you think of when you own your own gym. Fuck. Machine sucks. Alright, last set of these. My legs, I'm walking like I'm picking my knees up, like it's funny. I have the timer set to 1.5 minutes. They say it don't count unless it burns, and they say don't count until it burns, so damn. Alright, so this is a monkey foot with a light. This is a monkey foot. So you put your foot in here, goes up like this, these little pieces on the bottom, these grab the dumbbell. I think this thing's like $80. Put this on, I'm gonna put 25 and leg curls. I'm pretty sure I used this 25 last time. Last time I did these, my hamstrings were sore for like a fucking week. You gotta do what you gotta do when you don't have proper equipment. This thing's legit though. The only issue is, I should probably do more reps, but the only issue is the setup. It doesn't take too long, but having 2 of these would be legit as fuck. Then I'll be walking around with 2 fucking dumbbells on my feet. Yeah. I did this last time, and my legs were getting beat. This time it's not gonna be that bad, so I think not this week, next week I'll go up to 30s. The setup, I'm being picky about this setup. It's really not that bad. It ain't really much different than moving a pin. It ain't much different than moving a pin. Obviously, it ain't the same as moving a pin, but yeah, this beat the hell out of my hamstring last time I did this. I did train one day after the competition. I basically did this workout, and this workout right here fried my legs for an entire week. This is really nice because the isolation. So like when you're doing a lying leg curl, your stronger leg will take over when your weaker leg kind of dies out. So doing isolation like this, it'll help strengthen the weaker leg. Hopefully it'll help everything. I'm trying to think of, oh yeah, another good thing about this is it's putting your leg in a natural position versus sitting on a machine and being perfectly upright and like going, or laying down and going. This, the way your mechanic is working, the mechanics of this lift is working, this is way more natural, so it works a lot different. I'm only doing sets of 5 or 10, and fucking thing jammed up. That thing's built pretty good. I'm telling you, that thing was like $80, man. Animalhousefitness.com or monkeyfoot.com. I don't know. You can Google it. All right. I'm getting fucking hungry, dude. I should have brought a fucking like a intra workout shake for like. I have the dextrose. I should have made a dextrose shake. I might have to call this fucking lift. Might have to call it a lift. I'm gonna do the hack squat and the leg press probably. We'll see how I feel. I'm getting nauseous and sick. I have to eat a lot, man. My metabolism is so fucking high. Getting dizzy. I gotta drink some water. I want to get the triceps in. I gotta control it on the down a little bit more. Oh shit. Alright, so I thought about it. I'm gonna do the same weight that I was box squatting. This is minus this. I think that is, man, that might be like 30 pounds. The sled on the hack squat. I'm just gonna call this 90, 50, 90, 110, 65, 170. I'm gonna call this 170 and put it on the hack squat and just get sets of 5 probably. Try it anyway. Alright, man, so I didn't test this. This might be a bit for me. I've never been good at hack squats, but I kept the knee sleeves on for this, so let's see what happens. Just do what I get what I get. Six. No, how do I want to do this? Do I want to do hack squat for heavy sets or moderate? Like if I took the 10 to 5 off, or took the 25 off, did the 10 to 5 and the 45. You know what I mean? That's what I'll do for the next set. I think I want to get a little bit more than 6 reps. Alright, I decided to leave it because I have leg press on here, but I'm going to do single leg press with the same weight. So I'm going to get enough work out of the quads. I'm really going to smash the quads after these. And this hack squat feels good. Like it doesn't grind or anything. One more, and then a single leg press. There we go. Last one, and then seated single leg press. Oh yeah, and today I started off box squats. Thursday, my last lifting day, so it's squats, deadlifts, bench, which is triceps. So I'll do deadlifts and then squats. So Thursday will be squats again. I'm gonna start with this and get a lot of sets out of this, and then go into box squats. So go this, box squats, and then hamstring. Okay. I had to do the one extra rep. 3 sets. I did 6 on the first 2. Had to do the extra 1. Otherwise, it was scary. All right, here we go. So, pay attention. This is why I say I thought that looked bent for a second. It's the shadow coming from the light. I was like, holy fuck, the frame bent. No, it's just a shadow. Thank God. Like I was saying, I don't think leg press counts. People are leg pressing 700 pounds and don't have a 300-pound squat. So like leg pressing doesn't dictate strength. Ronnie Coleman was hitting above 1,000 pounds. Well, Ronnie Coleman could also squat 900 pounds, 800 pounds. So, and he was hitting 1,000 for reps. The 8 and 900 was for singles or doubles, I believe it was. Can't remember if he had a triple or not. But so leg press is definitely an accessory movement. It's not a main working set. If you have a bad back, if you have anything wrong with you, in which to the reason why you can't squat, fix it. Whatever that is, fix it and start squatting just the bar if you can't squat with weight. If you're fucking loading up the fucking leg press with fucking 400, 500, 600 pounds, you don't have a problem to where you can't squat. I don't give a fuck. You're just using it as a fucking excuse so you don't have to squat. I have 2 blown out knees. I fucking tore my adductor. I tore my bicep head surgery. Like, shut the fuck up and lift. I'm only doing single leg because it's lightweight. Yeah, that was perfect timing. Perfect timing for the battery to die. Here we go. Second set. Ooh, same thing, same weight. Single leg. $15 to 15. I started feeling it in my glutes a little bit on that one. Alright, man, so that's the last for today. Single leg pressing. Gonna get out of here. I am fucking famished. I have to eat. I'm fucking all shaky and shit. I gotta get some food in. Now, this is the beginning of the training for the rehab to get back into training strong. I have to work on this. This is week 1. Everything's gonna go up. As you guys know, we start getting a little bit crazier with the intensities and the weights. Just getting back in the swing of things. It's gonna take, I have this rehab set for like 2 to 3 weeks. Depending on how this feels is how quick we move. And it's always best to just stay with the time period to just do the allotted rest and recovery and to get back into the swing of things. I want to hit a 350-pound bench press. I hit a 330-pound bench press during training for Beast Northeast. And then I wound up hitting the triple of the 300 pounds during training, and that kind of aggravated it. I should have just hit that single and racked it. Kept hitting my singles and racking it. Who would have say what would have happened if I hadn't done that triple and then went to the competition and then flunked out anyway? But luckily, I wasn't under a lot of weight when it tweaked. When this I think it's the sternal head. I'm pretty sure when this tweaked out on me. So it is what it is. I don't want to tear my pec. So from here on out, we're going to be doing a lot of flies work to strengthen that. Dumbbell flies, not cable crossovers. Obviously, I don't have a cable crossover anyway. But dumbbell flies, lightweight to start off. This rehab is going to take a little bit. Make sure you guys sub to the channel so you don't miss out on how I'm going to get back to where I was. And we got 90 days. Today's day 1. Tomorrow is 89 days. So make sure you sub to the channel, like this video, drop something in the comment. If you don't train and you don't know anything about training, don't comment stuff you've heard other people say. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? Don't put in the comments stuff you've heard other people say, and then you're still $160. See what I'm saying? Just regurgitating what other people have said, and you've never put anything to test. Don't drop those things in the comment section. If you're into fitness, if you're in the part of fitness, if you're competing, if you're in bodybuilding, if you're in powerlifting, if you're in any kind of physical sport, you have a little bit of grounds to speak on anything that goes on here. If you have questions, by all means, drop every question in the fucking comment section. But don't come to me telling me certain shit isn't gonna work when I've been doing this. I'm almost 2,000 videos in, and I've been doing this, and it is working. Don't tell me what I'm doing doesn't work when it's clearly fucking working. Understand? Don't be stupid. If you've made it this far, don't be fucking stupid. Watch the videos, learn something, ask questions. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to help, man. That's all I'm doing. I'm vlogging my training, and if I can help somebody along the way, that's what I'm gonna do. I appreciate you guys watching. Sub to the channel, like this video. Tomorrow's deadlifts and biceps. I'll see you then. Later!